In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zendrop to your Shopify store. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your Shopify admin dashboard in your browser. This is the main control panel where you manage your products, orders, and apps. Once you're on that page, look towards the top of the screen for the search bar. This is the universal search that lets you quickly find settings, pages, and apps within Shopify. Click into that search bar, and from the options that appear, choose apps. This tells Shopify that you're specifically looking for an app to install or manage. In the search field that appears, type Zendrop and then press enter on your keyboard. Shopify will now redirect you to the Shopify App Store and automatically search for Zendrop for you, so you don't have to open the store separately. On the Shopify App Store results page, look for the app called Zendrop AI Dropshipping and Pod. The pod stands for Print on Demand, and this is the official Zendrop application you want to connect to your store. Click on the app name to open its information page. Here you'll see an overview, screenshots, reviews, and details about what the app can do, but for now, we're just going to focus on installing it. On that page, find and click the Install button. Shopify may show you a permission screen explaining what Zendrop will be able to access in your store, such as products and orders. Take a moment to review these permissions so you understand how the integration works. When you're ready, confirm the installation and follow any on-screen prompts. These prompts might include selecting your store, confirming billing details if applicable, and authorizing the connection between Shopify and Zendrop. After the installation process begins, Shopify will automatically redirect you to the Zendrop interface. If you already have a Zendrop account, you'll either be logged in automatically or you may be asked to log in with your existing credentials. Just enter your usual information and proceed. If you don't have a Zendrop account yet, you'll be prompted to register for a new one before you can continue. Go ahead and complete the registration form they provide, following any verification steps they require. Once that's done, Zendrop will finalize the connection with your Shopify store. When everything is set up correctly, you'll land on your Zendrop dashboard. From here, your Shopify store is now connected, and you're ready to start importing products, setting pricing, and managing your dropshipping or print-on-demand workflow directly through Zendrop.